Hi, today I am going to tell you how to create a pop-up using Elementor for free. So let me tell you, we need to create a pop-up button trigger. So let me show you how I created it. So here is the button. So let me show you. So you can see here is the pop-up trigger button. So here is the contact form. So we can, using the button, we can create a pop-up. So let me show you how I did it. So basically we need to install two plugins. So just go to the plugins, then click on add new plugin. So after that we need to install two plugins. The first plugin is exclusive add-ons in Elementor. So we need to search for exclusive add-ons for Elementor. So I already installed these two plugins. So here is the plugin exclusive add-ons for Elementor by exclusive add-ons. So the second plugin is Anywhere Elementor. So I already installed this plugin and activated it as well. So let me show you how I create the pop-up trigger button using the Elementor. So here it is the Anywhere Elementor plugin. So just go back to your dashboard, then click on AE templates. So I already have created this one. Let me trash it and create a new one. So I will create a new one and I will name it Pop-up as well, and then click on edit with Elementor. So then after that, just go to your settings, then on page layout select Elementor canvas. So I have created this, then click on this S icon. So then go to the blocks and then search for contact form. So here it is the contact form. So choose anyone you like. So let me choose any one of them. So let me go back and click on this one. I will choose from here the same that I showed you in the beginning of the video. So let me insert this one. So here it is our contact form or trigger button. So let me click on here. So we need to install contact form 7 as well. So I already installed it. So click on contact form 7. So here is the form. So let me click on publish. So here it is published. Then go back to your website. Then click on edit with Elementor. So now let me scroll this back. So now in this button we already have this trigger button. So let me remove this one and add it again. So let me show you that. So let me remove this button, and now we don't have anything, so we don't have trigger button. So let me show you here. So now you can see we don't have any trigger button. I am clicking it, so I will add a trigger button here. So I will search for model pop-up. So here is model pop-up. So I will drag and I will drop it here. So you can see here is the pop-up button that appears like this. So let me remove the image. Sorry for that. Just go back. Let me remove the image and the icon as well. So let me remove the icon as well. So let me just move it little bit here. So here it is. So just click on the button and go to style tab and let me remove the border radius and let me give it 8 on top. So I will make it equal to the other button, 8 on, give it 25 on right and 25 on left. So I will make it like this. Let me make it 35, or let me make it, so just make it 25. It's good, looking good. Okay, so now it's 25 and 25. So let me we need to update it and then go to here, continue. Then on type of model we need to make it shortcode. So here it is. So just go back to your dashboard and just copy this shortcode and go back here and insert the shortcode here and then update it. So now let's go back here and click on here. So now just click on here, here is our pop-up. So let me just design it a little bit more. So I will make this one, just go to style tab and make it here a further little bit and let me move it little bit and go back here and then update it and let's see it here. So you can see here it is. Now here it is. Let me move this button little bit here. So now just make this one, yeah, just make it 65. Let me make it 55. I think that's good. Yeah, I will make it inline. Sorry for that. Just make it default, custom, and that's it. Okay, let me style the button. So let me just scroll down. I will give it a color white. So that's the border color. So I will remove the border from here. I will make it default. So the text color I will make it black, and so let me scroll down. Yeah, just go back to button and make the background color white. So now, and just go back to hover and let's make the over color white and background color black. So let me update it now. So here you can see, here it is a button. So let's go back and let's go back to the pop-up and let me give it a little bit padding on the right side and on the left side as well. So now it looks like this. So I will just give it on right side. So let me check it again. Just scroll down, and now you can see here is. Let me give it a little more. Let me Yeah, here it is. So you can see here it is. So let me give the button little bit. Yeah, just give me a minute. So go back to here, go back to button and give it a style tab and go to style tab and go to content, go to button. Let me make it full under width and let me give it a little bit margin from here. Sorry for that. Let me make it full width. Yeah, let me make it inline. So we need to close these gaps. So we need to make it inline and give it a margin on the right side. So I will give it 20. Let's update it and scroll down. So here you can see here is our pop-up. Thank you so much for watching this video.